Hello everybody, welcome to an unboxing. This is the Panasonic it is the Panasonic RP-HT010 010 stereo headphones. Comfort fit, movable housing, that's about it. I had to buy a new pair of headphones because my one that I bought a couple of years ago broke. So yeah, this was the cheapest. That didn't look complete crap, and you know, Panasonic is a name, so let's see how good it is. I'm gonna use it for all the things that one uses headphones. This is the blue color one, although the only thing blue about it is the side here. First impressions, they look actually larger than I thought. On the photos they look quite small, and I didn't like that. But here at least they look bigger, so I like that. I don't know if there's anything important here. Let's see. Specifications: drive unit 30mm, impedance 24 ohms, sensitivity 100 decibel per microwatt, I think. Power handling capacity 1000 milliwatts IEC. Frequency response 16 Hz up to 22 kHz. Cord 1.2 meters. Plug 3.5 millimeters. Mass 75 grams net, 60 grams without cord. And specifications are subject to change without notice. That's always helpful. Warning: avoid wearing your headphones when driving, cycling, or in other situations where either quick reactions are required or where hearing must not be impaired. Do not wear your headphones for extended periods of time at high volume. All of that sounds good to me. Now I don't have a pair of scissors with me, so let's see how we can open this. It appears to be just cardboard in the back, so okay, I put my finger in here. Nice. Let's hope this is not collectible. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Disposal for the equipment. Wow. I mean, I know it's second hand now, but jeez. That's it. Okay, first impressions. Very light, which is not really weird. The pad here, the foam or whatever it is, definitely light and small, but not, thankfully, the smallest I have ever used. This is of course the left, this is the right. Let's see. Okay, we can alter the length of them. Okay, let's see. This is of course 1.2 meters according to the specifications. I'll take its word for it. It does look quite long. Let me wear this and tell you if it fits well on my big head. Okay, 1 second. I need to expand it a bit. Okay, that's too much. Okay. Comfort wise, very light, obviously. It doesn't put too much pressure on the head, so I mean, of course, it's just a few seconds now. It does feel though quite tight, as in it's not going to fall of the head on its own by movement of my head left and right or up and down. Although of course I'm not really dancing or anything. Yeah, there's nothing much else to say really about comfort. I have to wear them for extended period of time before I can tell. The cable is, regular cable. It's thin, but it doesn't feel cheaply made, or as cheaply made as others are. So hopefully it will last too. 3.5mm plug, that's fine. Alright, I'm gonna use it for a while and let you know back with a pinned comment or in the video description of my opinion after using it for a while. I'm gonna listen to some music, watch videos, play video games, you know how it goes. I might even do some editing, video editing, although I don't have any proper footage now to edit, but yeah, still I'll let you know down below. Oh, this is weird. It's like, it's not just cable, it's not like, the texture of the cable is a bit rubbery, like I don't know how to explain it. Rubbery, like small. You know what? It reminds me of some old, well, by now old laptops, which had that smooth exterior, which after a few years stunk. Yeah, yeah, the feel of that, which is weird. I don't remember feeling like that ever before when touching a cable. Anyway, that's it. Take care. Bye. Oh, please like, subscribe, and all that. I have 9 YouTube channels. You can follow me anywhere or nowhere, I guess. And I also have a Twitch channel where I tend to stream 4 nights a week video games. Oh, and yeah, if you want, there is a Ko-fi link down below. You can check if you want to help more directly with the channel. Bye.